Good evening and welcome to the WallMantra show. First of all, we want to thank you for all the love and support that you're giving to the show. Today we are going to talk about how decor is one of the best gifting options for this Raksha Bandhan. We'll tell you about some amazing gift ideas which will surely make your sibling appreciate your choice and efforts. Women love decorating their home with new bed sheets and covers that keep reflecting her personality. So why don't you gift your sister a beautiful furnishing product? Table accent and candle holder never goes out of style when it comes to gifting. So go for aesthetic table accent that blends well with the interiors of your brother's or sister's room. Hand-painted and designer ceramic cup sets or dining sets are one of the most thoughtful gifts to a sibling who loves to cook or has an eye for detail and craft when in kitchen. So guys, that's all for this evening. For more professional tips, stay tuned to the WallMantra show right here every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6 p.m. Bye!